Right, this video is discussing the area of a triangle using trigonometry. So rather than the standard area equals half your height times your base, we're going to look at this formula, which is half AB sine C. And where does this come from? Where are these letters from? So if we take a triangle, any triangle, preferably with straight lines, which mine does not have, and we label it A, B, and C. Doesn't matter which one is which. The opposite side to the capital A will be a small a. The opposite side to the B will be a small b. And the opposite side to the C, to angle C, will be a small c. That is our naming convention. So the angle opposite has the same letter as the side. If we take angle C and we are given A and B, then we can work out the height, the area of the triangle without needing the height. Now what this means is that we have an included angle. So for example, if I quickly draw a triangle and call it A, B, and C. Right, then this angle C, if we are given that angle and we are given these two sides, you can see that they are included angle. We've got the sides with the angle that's in between them. We call that the included angle. You've probably heard me refer to it as the cozy angle before. It's being hugged by the two lines. When we come to the cosine rule, we're going to use that quite a bit, and I've got a video that goes along with that for you. So the included angle, and we can use this formula. It's very straightforward. If we have the triangle, RST. And we're given the angle at T is 25 degrees. And we are told that RT is 10 centimeters and ST is 15 centimeters. This is not one I'm going to be able to work out in my head. Then our formula is very simple. The area of RST is going to be a half times the 10 times the 15 times the sine of 25 degrees. You use that with your calculator and you get your answer. The other way that you get your questions, sometimes they will give you what sine of an angle is in the question. If it's on a non-calculator paper, the technique is the same, follow it through and solve. Sometimes they give you the formula, they always give you the formula, I should say. Sometimes they give you the question backwards. They will say that the area of triangle, let's do PQR, is 24 centimeters squared. Remember, when you're dealing with any area, it's always squared. And side PQ is 10 centimeters. and the angle at Q is, I don't know if this is going to be workable. Right, I'm going to say 50 degrees. And we have to work out the side QR. Just like in any other algebra question, and this is where everything starts tying together, you substitute in what you know. So the area we have is 24, and we know that that is half of, A and B doesn't matter what way it is, half of the side we know, sine of the unknown, which is our QR, and the sine of our angle 50 degrees. Rearrange to get QR on its own. Well, half of 10 is 5, so I'm going to make that into 5. Rearrange, everything else that's multiplying on this side becomes a divide on this side. So 24 divided by, remember half of 10 is 5, so 5 sine 50 equals our QR. And get your calculator to give you the answer. Short and sweet. Just remember, read the question carefully. Is it asking for the area of the triangle? Or is it asking for something else?